18, we are going to learn about Venn diagram of a complement. Venn diagram of a complement. Already a complement we have seen. Okay, a complement, b complement, c complement, whatever it may be. So how to find out this one? First of all, a complement. If it is given a, you should take a complement. If it is given b, you should take b complement. Okay. Here I am using with the a complement. A complement is equals to mu minus a. Mu minus a. And remember one thing. What the elements you are taking in A, all that elements should be present in mu. Mu is universal set. What you are taking in A, all the elements should be present in mu. All the elements should be present in mu. But what are the elements in mu? It is not necessary that all should be present in A. All should be present in A. We will do one problem. Okay. Here mu I am taking as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And A as 1, 2, 3. Okay. How to find out the A complement for this one? A complement is equals to mu minus A. A complement is equals to mu. What is mu? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus A elements 1, 2 and 3. Now what are the common elements? You should cancel that one. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So A complement is equals to what is remaining mu, you should write that only. What is remaining mu, you should write that only. 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Now how to draw the diagram for this one? How to draw the diagram? See, mu is a universal set. That means all the elements will present in mu. All the elements will present in mu. And what are the elements present in mu? It should be present in some elements should be present in A. That means what you are taking in the set A. What you are taking in the set A, what the elements you are taking in set A, all that elements should present in mu. All, it is must and necessary that all the elements of A, that means of first set, should be present in mu. It should be present in mu. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3. It is in A. So make it as A. Now, what are the elements in remaining elements in mu? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So A complement. How to draw the A complement? Leave the A elements. This will be A complement. This will be A complement. Okay. This will be the A complement. What is there in A complement? 4 and 5. What is there in A complement? 4 and 5. And this is the diagram, Venn diagram of A complement, Venn diagram of A complement. One more we will see. Okay, one more we will see. We will take it as mu as 1, 4, 7, 3 and A as 1, 3. 1 and 3. Then A complement is equals to mu minus A. A complement is equals to mu is how much? 1, 4, 7, 3. Minus A is how much? 1 comma 3. Now delete the element which are common. 1, 1, 3, 3 get cancelled. Then A complement is equals to 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7. How to draw the Venn diagram? First make the set of mu. Okay. Then take A. What are the elements in A? 1, 3. What is the remaining elements in mu? 4, 7. So A complement, how to draw the A complement? Just to leave the A set and draw the remaining. This is A complement. This is A complement. Hope everyone understood. Please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new for my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.